So far we're able to complete and uncomplete a to-do and also complete all the to-dos and uncomplete them. But let's look at deleting a to-do. So if we go to the post, we can see inside to-do Svelte we need to add a method for removing the to-do. So let's do that. Let me just scroll down here. And it's simple as this. It's basically one line. So we can just go here and we can say function remove to-do is going to take an ID or string. It doesn't return anything. And we're going to say to-dos are equal to to-dos filter. We're going to go over each to-do. And if the to-do ID doesn't equal the to-do we specified, it's just going to filter the rest of the items. So we can go here and we can pass it simply as in the example. So we can say remove to-do and we can catch the prop on the other side. So let's just save this and let me just quickly open Control P to do Svelte. And now we have this. Let me scroll down here. So in to-do.svelte we need to take in the prop and wire up the event to the button. So it's simple as that. So let's just create the type, remove to-do type. It's going to take a string. So it has the same signature as our function we're passing. So we can say export let remove to-do as the remove to-do type. And all we have to do is wire up the on-click event listener. So here is the button. And same as in the example, let's place it here. And say on-click. And let's say remove to-do. And we're just going to pass the to-do ID that we get from to-dos, right? And it's simple as that. So if we save it, let's see if it works. So we can remove to-dos. And that's awesome. And of course, if we refresh, we're going to get our placeholder to-dos. Awesome.